Okay, so just forgot to do this as a bonus, just to how to put this. So I put the trackpad. I hope it was not okay, because I have issues here from a keyboard, because I live in a country that has a different keyboard. You want to see a weird keyboard? That's a weird keyboard, and that's a normal keyboard. So QWERTY, AZERTY. So I'm always having issues, you know, changing from one to the other. Whoops. Okay, I was off. Okay. So usually, if the metal plate is good on one keyboard, all is different is just the layout of the keyboard. So you can take a metal plate or metal, you know, the circuit board from one keyboard, and then the face, the plastic, from the other, and then you put it over, and it should work. So it should be fine. So yeah, I'm always doing that because I'm buying AZERTY keyboards and, and changing them into QWERTY or vice versa, Okay, good. To put this keyboard, you have to kind of align the connection there. Okay, and then just in one go. Okay, you didn't see much, but okay, you align it, you press it. Okay, and that's it. It does a weird sound, my camera, anyway. I hope it's I know it's time, so well, and then just to put it back, it's kind of a weird movement. So you put it, you secure it. What I do, because everybody has its own stuff, so you know, just see if that's okay. You can also put a piece of paper on it, or a piece of carton, a thick paper, so you have more pressure there. Okay, for future, if you're a rough hang-upper. If you're a rough hang-upper. Woo! I'm a rough hang-upper. That's weird. Okay, so first you have two clips here. You have to put them in here, and then you kind of press this that clips inside, and then this that clips inside, and then leave the others, the other two things for the screws, because when they come in place, where are the screws? Where are my screws? Okay. When they come in place, they set the keyboard right. Okay, and then, you know, if you did the swap of the keyboard, then you might feel a lump at first, but the keyboard will settle if you put those small plastic things right, so it will settle. Okay, let's see, it feels a little bit stiff, but anyway, it just as long as it's sorry about that. Okay, yeah, this one I might have to open again because not all of them are okay, but anyway, I think here I have a little bit of an issue, because it's always good, it's always better to have a keyboard, but you know, if you're looking for better solutions. Okay, I'm just checking the keys. Anyway, this is for it. I'll work on this on my own time, but there are a few keys that are not really okay. Now we'll have a look on those in a second. Okay, maybe this is a good exercise to kind of show you exactly how to take the keyboard out. Okay, it happens to everybody, so you don't set it in place, right? Okay. So what you need to have is a tool. It goes here, okay, not here, not there, here, and then pull it up, and then one, come on two, okay, and then you see the connection there. You come with a plastic thing, and then you just lift it a little bit from one side, not too much, and then you go on the other side, then you lift, bing. Okay, where was the issue? Here. Okay, So the idea is that we'll have to look underneath here and then see. Oh yeah, I see it. I see a few things wrong there, but that's not going to be a problem. Okay, I'll do that on my own time because I have to heat it up and then try to, you know, nudge it in place. Okay, this happens all the time if you don't if you pay attention.